Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a beer tap. First, ensure you have all necessary tools and parts ready. This includes a sturdy drill, an adjustable wrench, and food-grade sealant. Next, choose your tap components carefully, such as a durable shank, a smooth operating faucet, and a comfortable tap handle. Understanding how these parts work together is key to a successful build. We'll cover each step in detail to help you create a functional and attractive beer tap system. Now, let's assemble the core components. Begin by drilling a precise hole, usually 7/8 of an inch, into your mounting surface. This ensures a snug fit for the shank. Next, insert the shank through the hole and secure it with a flange and lock nut on the back, tightening it firmly. Finally, attach the faucet to the front of the shank, making sure to use a washer for a leak-proof connection. Hand tighten the faucet, then give it a quarter turn with a wrench. With the tap assembled, it's time for connections and testing. First, attach your beer line to the shank's tailpiece, securing it with a hose clamp to prevent leaks. Next, connect the CO2 line to your keg coupler, ensuring a tight fit. Once everything is connected, pressurize your system and carefully check all connections for any leaks. A simple spray of soapy water will reveal bubbles if there's a leak. Address any leaks before proceeding to ensure a perfect pour. Maintaining your beer tap ensures consistent quality and longevity. Clean your beer lines regularly, ideally every 2 to 3 weeks, using a specialized cleaning solution to prevent off flavors. Periodically inspect and replace any worn washers or O-rings to avoid drips and maintain a perfect seal. Enjoy your freshly poured beer, knowing you built it yourself. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below. It's packed with valuable resources.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.